Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be walking you through how to install the interior LED conversion kit from Diode for the 4th Gen 4Runner. This conversion kit works super well. It changes all of the stock lighting over to the LED lighting. Super bright, super great. I already have it installed. I just did it in maybe like 10-15 minutes. Super easy. The pack comes with a ton of extra, which is super nice. Mine is also the Sport, so I know for the higher end models of these, it basically will use everything, but since mine isn't using everything, I have a ton of extra. So like I said, I already have it installed, so I'll just walk you guys through the steps right now. Super easy, gonna take about 10-15 minutes. These are the lights that we will be using for these two lights, as well as all of the door lights. So make sure that you're using the HP5 LED bulb. All right, so first up, we're gonna do the main two lights right here. So these are super easy. There's a bunch of little knocks right here. You just wanna stick a flathead screwdriver or use one of the tools that they gave you right here. But the screwdriver is gonna work a little bit easier. So just push it right here. You're not gonna break it, just make sure not to go too hard. And then there you go. You can see the light right here. So super easy, the light is out. We're just gonna align this and then you just push straight up and in. Now to put this back in, you just wanna make sure that you're aligning it with the holes. So see, it's gonna go like that. We're gonna slide this in right here and then you push in. But you just wanna make sure that it slides in here first versus just pushing it flat in. It'll slide in here because those knocks will kind of go under and then push up and the lights are gonna work. On to the next step. All right, next up is going to be our door lights. There's 4 of these. I'm gonna use the plastic tool this time because I don't wanna break the plastic around the lights. Basically what you're gonna do is you're just gonna stick the plastic tool right up here and then you're gonna pull it out. One side is gonna be easier than other. When you pull it out, you'll see that that side has a clip and that side does not, which means this side will be easier than the other. I would recommend unplugging this. Once it's unplugged, it's gonna look like this, and then you're gonna just take off this plastic piece by sticking a screwdriver in there or just pulling it off with your fingers. Now you do wanna be careful because when you're putting these in and taking these out, the ones that are in the door could be hot, especially the last ones that I had, they were metal and they were extremely hot. So now to put these back in, once your light is in, you're gonna just make sure that that's pushed all the way in. Put on that top, make sure it clicks, and then we're gonna plug it back in and throw it back in the door. There we go. As you can see, it immediately lit up. And then just push it in. Make sure that this side goes in first with the cords, and then push it up until it clicks in. Now you're gonna repeat this process on all 4 doors. Next up are our 2 interior lights. These are both going to be the same lights. You're not gonna have to worry about doing a different step. It's gonna go the same exact way. The bulb that you're gonna use is gonna be the HP6 LED bulb. It's gonna go fit right in there. I just used the plastic tool for this when I did it. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna stick it right in between here and then just push up. And there you go. Now you can see the light right there. Make sure that it's off again because yes, this will get hot. The light literally can fall out super easily. It just is held in right there. You press one end into the hole and then you push up and then you're installed. And then to push this back in, we're literally just gonna slide it in and then push in until it clicks. And now your light is working. Now you're gonna repeat this process with the back door light. Now for the vanity, these are gonna be the SMF bulbs. You're literally just gonna stick a screwdriver right there and just pry it off. All right, there's the light. As you can see, I already have it replaced with the Diode bulb. See those little clamps? You're literally just gonna push this into the clamps. As soon as it touches, it lights up. Make sure that it's aligned because if it's not straight, if it's tilted, it's gonna be pushing the light out the other way. And then you're just gonna push this back in. Make sure that the close knobs are gonna be on the inside. And then you're just gonna push it in until it clicks. And then repeat this on the other side. Okay, so this is the one that's gonna go right here in the glove box. Okay, after a few minutes of trying, I finally got it. So the flat parts have to go on either side, and then you just align it properly, and then it just pushes in. And then there you go. Now it's in there and working. It's perfect. All right, well, the lights work so well. Well, there you have it. We've just installed the interior LED conversion kit from Diode. I hope it was as easy for you as it was for me.